Quickly moving on to the game segment, Balveer season 4. I have the cast over here. सबसे spicy answers जो देंगे उनको मिलेगा एक spicy सा प्यारा gift हमारे तरफ से. So Dev, सबसे पहले questions for you. 5 questions each, okay? What's the spiciest DM that you have ever received from a female fan?
बाप रे.
बालवीर नहीं, ये देव बोलना चाहिए.
Couldn't be it.
I love you. और क्या होगा?
That's not spicy.
नहीं ठीक है.
Nice.
That enhances your chance to win.
No, I would actually say the same thing. So yeah.
Okay, quickly. Have you ever tried flexing yourself as a mainstream TV hero? मतलब बचपन में, अभी भी देखो हम लोग बचपन में ही है और ज्यादा बचपन में, while trying to impress a girl. कभी किया है कि यार मैं टीवी में आता हूँ, बालवीर शो ये वो. Have you ever done that?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. मैं तो ऊपर से शांत रहता हूँ कि भाई जितना पता ना चले उतना अच्छा है, because I like natural friendships. So yeah, that's better.
Natural friendship में बहुत कुछ. Okay. मुझे ये बताओ, what's the most romantic thing that you have ever done for someone?
I think mom dad के लिए जितना भी किया है, of course.
We'll take that. Chances going.
It's a lovely thing. Why not?
Of course, of course. What does Balveer mean to you in a word?
Everything.
Life.
I knew he's going to say.
4 questions each for all of you as well. Aditi, for you right now, the biggest mistake people make in love today, what do you think in a line?
Not trust each other.
Not trust each other, okay. Time bahut kam hai, so we have to rush. If you could stalk into Dev's Instagram right now, who do you think will be on top in the DM list?
Somebody from Dear Moon, is it?
So smile tells it all. We'll take that for an answer.
Or D3 Parivar.
D3 परिवार.
See, I cracked it.
Share
I cracked
reels
it.
to each other.
So I cracked it.
Good.
I won.
Good one. How do you react when people sing the song Kabhi Kabhi Aditi to either irritate you or impress you? Because I'm sure जिंदगी में बहुत लोग ने किया होगा.
So I say जिंदगी में कोई अपना See? Oh, it's a sweet song. क्यों मुझे अच्छा ही लगता है.
Okay. Which couple among the following, last question, do you find the cutest? Karan Kundra, Tejasvi Prakash, Mohit Malik, Aditi Malik, Ravi Dubey, Sargun Mehta.
I think the third, Ravi Dubey and Sargun Mehta.
Okay, fair enough. Last questions for Ada. 4 questions आपके लिए. If you and Aditi swapped characters for a day, why do you think will pull off the other person's character better? I mean, who do you think will pull off? Like, you will pull off her character better, or you think she will pull your character?
She will do it.
She has that natural evil in her.
I'm not so nice.
Very sweet and humble on your part. On an average, तुम्हारे लिए भी Ada, hi, Ada. How many people sing that song?
अदा मेरा असली नाम नहीं है.
But गाने तो बहुत लोग गाते होंगे.
हाँ, लेकिन जिस दिन मैंने बदला था इसलिए बदला था कि फिल्मी था मेरा पहला वाला नाम. And I changed it and second day the song released and since then 2 साल तक अदा 2000 लोगों ने बोला होगा.
Oh my God! Let the number not increase. Huh? Last 2 questions. One thing about Dev that you love the most and one thing that you find a little annoying.
About Dev.
हाँ. दोनों ही बताना
What I
पड़ेगा.
love the most is that he is really grounded.
Yes, he is. Absolutely.
And annoying is that इसको लड़कियों में मुझे लगता है कोई इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है. ये कैसे
वैसी
बनता
बात नहीं
है?
है भाइयों बहनों.
भाइयों and बहनों also
वो
you said in the end.
बताएगा बाद में
मैंने
इंटरेस्ट
इसे कभी
बताएगा.
फ्लर्ट करते हुए तक नहीं देखा. How boring.
We'll do classes together. Don't
हाँ,
worry.
good. He's good at it.
I will teach you.
Done. सीखने के लिए Dev Joshi teaching me how to flirt. Last question on that note before we wrap up. One Bollywood actress whose wardrobe you would love to get into and do a raid.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा.
I knew it.
You know that answer. This speaks volumes of the fact कि the actors of Balveer season 4 they know each other to a tremendous extent. देखो 6th में से चालू होने वाला है सोनी लिव पे. बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं लेकिन 6th में जैसे ही आता है you know which platform to stay hooked to. सोनी लिव उसको छोड़ के कहीं मत जाओ. काम करो ये करो होगा. सोनी लिव
We
मोबाइल
live to entertain.
रहना ही
That's the
चाहिए.
tagline, no?
Balveer is there, season 4 is there. Like I said, 4x the Dhamaka. Thank you so much and let me announce the winner. मेरे हिसाब से the winner is करके मुझे लगता है अदिति को जीतना है. Can I please have the gift for Aditi?
Yeah, thank
Can
you.
you
That's
please
so
pass the
sweet.
gift? Please.
Aditi.
We'll share.
Aditi.
शेयर कर लेना चलेगा. Thank you
can
so
share
much.
it.
I'm very
है क्या
kind of
पता?
you to pass.
है क्या?
So Aditi wins a special AIM Libas gift from our end. तुम्हारे लिए है. तुमको काम भी आएगा ये hopefully. It is for you.
That's so sweet.
Thank you so much, guys. That's a wrap on the Sunny G Show by Rohit Consulting. This is your host Shubhajit with the one and only cast of Balveer season 4. Sony Live में देखो, enjoy करो. You'll feel entertained for real. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Stay safe and thank you.
Thank you.